third task is that you have to generate leads. You also have to find contacts of the customers, potential customers. You have to call them and convince them to buy the product. Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today is 7th May and today I am going to discuss about the most trending topic of a non-technical field, that is sales. So in this video we are going to discuss about the most important thing, that is the roles and responsibilities of a sales intern, what all skill set you should have if you want to go into a sales internship or a sales job, and my sales internship experience, and the most important thing, I am going to suggest you the most rated free courses which you can do if you want to go into a sales internship or a job. So let's get started with this video. First things first, let's understand what is sales. So sales are of two types. One is inside sales and the second is direct sales. In inside sales, it's an office job. Basically, you have to call the customers and sell them the product via call. Second thing is you have to make product presentations and schedule meetings with the customers and give them the demo about the product. Third thing is you have to make reports, annual reports or maybe quarterly reports about the sales of the company, and also generate leads for the company and give to the core sales team. So now let's understand what is direct sales. In direct sales, basically the difference between inside sales and direct sales is majorly that in direct sales you have to go to the customer's location. It may be a home, it may be a school or anything like that depending on your product type, and you have to sell them the product there itself, and also you have to give them the demo there itself, that is on their location itself. So that this is the major difference between inside sales and direct sales. In direct sales also you have to make presentation and reports. So that's majorly about sales which you should know. So now let's discuss about my sales internship experience. So I worked in a edtech startup for around 4 to 5 months, and my responsibility was to generate leads for the company, and the leads for this company were the schools, the coaching classes, the teachers, and sometimes the private tutors also. So basically it was my responsibility to search for the numbers and call them and schedule a session with them and make a product presentation as well as give them the demo of it. And once the deal is closed with any of the client, it was my responsibility to coordinate with the client as well as the technical team of our company and get the product installed. So this was majorly my work. But also one thing which I would say, if you are doing any sales internship, all the companies would expect that you promote their social media handles, their website. The first task which they will give you is that they will ask you to increase their followers on all the social media platforms, maybe 500, maybe not 500, sorry, maybe 50, maybe 40 or maybe 100. And this, after that, once you clear that round, they will move you to the second step, that is they will ask you to generate leads, and according to the leads you will get the profit. Basically you will get the commission of on each product whichever you sell, and there would be a fixed amount of around 5,000, maybe 2,000 or maybe 6,000. So in my company I had a stipend of 10,000 and 5,000 was variable. Like I said, it was totally dependent on the number of products which I sell. So that was majorly my work. And also by the end of the month, it was my responsibility to make a sales report, that how many sales product have been sold by the other sales interns as well as by me, because I was the sales team lead. So it was my responsibility to make the reports. So that's pretty much about my sales internship. And moreover, I would say in all the internships the role and the responsibility are same, like which I discussed right now. So now let's discuss what are your roles and responsibilities if you get into any sales internship. So the first basic thing is, like I said, they expect you that you should promote all their social media handles. So they will expect that you bring some certain number of followers for their social media. So once you achieve this target, you would be given the second task, that is you have to call the existing customers. You have to ask them about the product, how they feel about it, like you have to take the feedback about the product, and also you have to solve their queries if they have anything related to the product. Then the third task is that you have to generate leads. You also have to find contacts of the customers, potential customers. You have to call them and convince them to buy the product. And also once they are convinced, you have to report that to the operations team or the backend team, and they would take it forward. and if they're not convinced enough, you have to make the product presentation. So you should have good presentation skills. You have to make product presentations, and then you have to give them the demo of the product. So this pretty much sums up about all the roles and responsibilities which are generally given to a sales intern in any sales internship. Now let's talk about the skill sets which are expected in a sales intern, a fresher sales intern in fact. So first thing is you should have a good communication skills. Second thing is you should be aware of the softwares like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Third thing is that you should have a good confidence level and a morale. Fourth thing is that you should have a good potential to convince the customers. Fifth thing, the most important thing, is that you should have a good potential and energy level to call at least 40 to 50 customers daily. So this is all about the skill sets, I would say, on a basic level which is expected from a sales intern. So now let's get into the most important part of the video, that are the free courses which I would suggest you if you are a beginner, if you want to go into sales. So the first course is Inbound Sales, which is on Udemy, which is totally for free, and you will get a fair idea about inside sales of a company. Second course is Sales Better Sales, which is also a free course on Udemy. The third is a good course, which is 12 lead generation strategies, which you can watch if you know pretty much all about sales, but if you're lagging in lead generation. So you can surely watch this course and get a fair idea, and good idea in fact, about the strategies which you can follow and generate more leads in less time. Then the fourth course which I would suggest is the Rule and Basics of Selling, which is for the beginners in fact, who don't know anything about sales. So you can watch this course, and all these courses are for free. So now I would suggest two courses which are advanced level courses and which are totally free, which are totally paid on Coursera. So the first is Successful Negotiation Essential and Strategies on Coursera, and the second course is Art of Sales and Marketing. So that's it. That's pretty much about the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and share the video, and always stay fit and stay healthy, and always keep smiling. Thank you so much for watching.